she got it in her mouth.
Yeah, then she threw it at me.
You want to clean out your mouth?